I'm a chiropractor in Marshall, and Dr. Brule was walking through to figure out ways that he can help his patients through misalignments and foot issues. The main thing is it starts with a solid foundation, and if there can be any better as a solid foundation by looking at your feet, that's going to help everybody. That whole process, I think functional testing, what Dr. Brule does, is a great tool. One, to help assist on him to aid and treat more effectively, but also to get the results that patients are looking for. And his video analysis helps us to really understand where their complaint or misalignment's at, and it makes it easier for him to treat what needs to be done. And I feel that he's taken it a step further than anybody else in the southwest Minnesota area.